Okay, hello guys. I'm going to show you how these extensions, product each option, customer group wise extension does work with the OpenCart versions 1.5x and 2.0x. So for now, I'm just going to demonstrate for the 2.x version. Okay, and for now I'm just going to, if you purchase this extension, you will get this extension from OpenCart Marketplace, and after downloading this extension you will get these files. Okay, right. And let me install this extension first, and I have already set up the OpenCart version 2.3.02. Okay, so I'm going to install and show you demonstration for this version. So installing the extension, you have to just click on extensions. For opening the backend, you have to just click on so this is the link. For the front end, let me show you, and for the backend, just add the admin. That's it. I have already opened it in the admin. You can see that this is the dashboard of the admin, and click here for installing this extension. Click on extension installer. Okay, and just select the files. Let me select the files, and I just selected the files of 2.x version. So let me select this extension. Just one second. Okay, so I just installed this extension. Okay, now click on the modification and the fresh button. So you can see that it is retail product each option customer group by of the solutions has been enabled. Okay, so now you have to check what is this features going to be added. You can also see this screenshot for this. It will add these fields customer group. I can show you customer group, and in option and in the option values as well. Okay, so let me show you here in the products. I'm going to any products open, like let's suppose open the Canon EOS 5D, and if you see that we have the option tab, and we have some table like yeah, you can see that it is automatically added the fields for customer group. Okay, and for the option value as well. Okay, so you can see that by installing this extension we got this field already, right? So mainly how this does work on the front end side. Okay, let's suppose if you go to the front end, if you, let's suppose I'm talking about the product Canon EOS 5D. So this is the Canon EOS 5D. If you see that, and we have the options select. So we have right now, it is showing this red and blue. By default the customer will see without login there's options values red and value blue. Okay, so we can control this by, if you want to show for this our wholesale customers or for any other customer groups. For now I had just installed two customer added. One is default and second is wholesale. Okay, so you can add as many as customer groups, and according to that you can handle. Okay, so for product I'm talking about the customer group. So let's suppose you can see that we have two options value, red and blue. So I don't want to see the red for the default customers, like who don't log in or who is not a wholesale. Okay, I just want to show the red for only wholesale customer. Okay, so let me assign this for just only wholesale. You can see that, and just save it. Okay, now if you see that, and by refreshing this page, you will see it will just only show one option, that is blue. Okay, let me also show you that the same thing. If I am, what if I am the wholesale customer, if I am logged in as a wholesale. Okay, so let me register as a wholesale. Okay, so if I'm going to register page. Okay, okay, and right now we do not have showing any customer groups option. Let me enable this thing. We can enable from the admin. settings. mm, I think option. Yeah, we can enable to, for the customer. You can read this: disable customer group that new customer can select to the social wholesale and business when signing up. Okay, that means while at register time it will show for that one. For now technical purpose, I'm just using. You can not show you. It's your options. You so for now, let's suppose I'm going to register as a test person like John Matthew. Okay, and it's John Matthew 2055 at the gmail.com, and here this is an up number plus one. Okay, I just add a sample number, phone, a telephone number, test address, test. Let's put folder. Folder. It's a sample address. I just added a password. Okay. It's basically mainly disabled on my server that is showing, but if you see that refreshing this, it has been registered now. Okay, so I'm going to show you it is registered. Let me show you customers. I just added John Matthew. It is wholesale and enabled. I have to just approve it because for the wholesale I had made the setting that admin will only approve, then he can or he or she can log in. So I just approved it. So now it's a my server issue, so you don't have to worry about it. John Matthew 205 at the gmail.com. Now it is enabled. I can log in from the front end and the password. Okay, so now I am logged in as a wholesaler. Okay, so I was talking about the option values, right? That the extension does work. So same product can ES5D. If you see that in the back end, we were talking about this one Canon ES5D, right? As a sign, you can see that wholesale red. Okay, customer group. So it should show what it should show. It will show both option because red is assigned as a wholesale and blank means it will show to the all for the any other customer group it will show. That's why it is showing both one thing. Okay, so that's how this extension does work. You can also see this thing in the screenshot. There is the option group selecting, there are option in the front end. We can also sign for the option values like I'm talking about this is the options and this is for the option. For now I have just shown the demonstration for the option values. For the same thing you can do for the option group. Let's suppose I'm just doing for the default, so this will just only show for the default, not for the wholesale. So if you save that and you just refresh this page, okay, so you can see that it is disappeared because I selected here. If you see that I selected is for default, not for wholesale. If I select for the wholesale, it will definitely will show there. You can see this. Got it? If I put it like on default, like the blank that was in starting like this one, it will show for both I mean for all customer group. Okay, so that's how this extension does work. Here is the 1.5 version screenshot. Both will work. You can see I just demonstrated. You can also assign for any others multiple options. There is no any limit, so it's a very good extension. You can buy it. Okay, so that's how this extension does work. Thank you. Leave any comment and questions below or write us mail for any help. Thank you.